English Masterclass. Words you heard from Shashi Tharoor.
Shashi sir, my CEO told me that if I get to interact with Shashi sir, don't make it frivolous.
The day, frivolous, meaning not having any serious purpose or value. When something is frivolous, it means it's silly, unimportant, or lacking seriousness. For example, he spent his money on frivolous things instead of saving it.
If you make it frivolous, you will be fired. So, our interaction will actually result in my employment.
Word of the day, interaction, meaning reciprocal action or influence when two or more people or things affect or communicate with each other. An interaction happens when people or things communicate or influence one another. For example, classroom interaction helps students learn better. Word of the day, employment, meaning the state of having paid work. When you have employment, it means you are working and earning money. Basically, you have a job. For example, finding employment after graduation can be challenging.
Atmosphere is terrific. The last couple of years when it was virtual, just not the same thing because
Word 4, virtual. Virtual means not physically existing as such, but made by software to appear to do so.